You know, like where you take hold of the magical college, the College of Winterhold, like they turn it into like Harry Potter. It's kind of amusing. I wouldn't say it's terrible. I believe there is a God, something created everything. Space-time, cells, excuse me, gases. I'm not doing the forbidden burp now. I don't burp through my nose because it hurts, so I'm not doing it. Oh no, I have the hiccups. You like research, various. Yeah, I like researching things, but not anything in particular. God damn it. God damn it. I like researching. God damn it, you're right, Hamsa. It didn't work. God damn it. God damn it. Hamza, what kind of robotic machinery are you made out of? God damn it, motherfucker, son of a bitch. Sorry. For all the swearing. You just copied your brain to the computer. Well, Hamza, I guess you're immortal now. Damn it. As soon as I let my breath go, I hiccuped. That's true, you could be an advanced AI. Congrats on your pregnancy. Wait, this Hiccup. Walmart security You think I'm For a second I was saying like, oh, I have a Bajoran pregnancy. But then no, Bajoran sneeze. Praetor! Praetor's a female, so she gets extra love. I just gotta show love to my kind. Don't be offended. I love men too. God damn it. God damn it, stop! God damn. Is Ella your real name, or are you just picking it from your online name? It's such a great... Sorry. Name. It's awesome. You feel awesome. I'm jealous. I want to feel awesome. What are you doing? What can I feel to... What can I do to feel awesome? You're in the spa? Drinking? Ella. It's such a pretty name. Eliza is such a pretty name too. Oh, God damn it. Stop. Stop hiccuping. Just stop. Oh, God damn it. Okay. No, that didn't work. Just FYI, beating your chest with your hands does not work. Hamza, don't hunt me down. I would never start a robot that kills all robots. Oh, God damn it. Will somebody come in here and shoot me with a taser? Would that work? Does shooting person and taser get rid of their hiccups? I have a taser I could shoot myself with. Should I use a taser? What do you guys think? I like shoot myself with a taser and die on stream. It gives you electricity powers. Yeah, I'll be electric girl. Yeah, yeah. Electric woman. Yeah, yeah. Aww, thanks, Thanks, Praetor, for giving me the advice not to do that. Praetor, do you have any songs you would like to request? God damn it, stop. You're right, it is the... It would make it work or make it worse. Praetor would make it work or make it worse, because like that's a big difference. Watch the a short story. Worse. Okay, okay. Okay, I won't do it. I won't do it. I won't do it. like, I'm like coughing like I took a big hit. This is terrible, you guys. Feel free to click out of my stream for a second and tell me fucking hiccups are over. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's horrible. It's the worst. Asshole by Hooligan Chase. Okay, I'm putting it in there. God damn it. Stop it. Stop it or I'll punch you in the face. God damn it. Stop it. Uh-oh. There's like a song playing.
I might hurt you. I need a therapist and a perk too. I need cash flow. You fuck with fat hoes. I ain't got no drugs, I'm turning to an asshole. Stove cooking eggs, need a new pan. She a pro with the head, she don't use hands. I need hundreds in the sky and a blue tan. Lean on the family tree, who is you fan? I need you for the bear, I'm a dope fan. I ain't top blood, what the fuck is cold? Wait, what the fuck is cold? Yo, baby mama, like I'm
what the fuck is cold, man?
Truth is, I don't really fuck with these hoes. I just fuck with these hoes when I won't fuck with these hoes. When my dick go right and they motherfucking hoes. And when they hate up with their head, they go right with their toes. I for the culture. Yo, bitch, tell me dead like a vulture. Working with my wood like a sculpture. Big booties, hoes, show me OJ. I might hurt you. I need a therapist and a perk too. I need a cash flow. You fuck with fat hoes. I ain't got no drugs, I'm turning to an asshole. On the stove cooking eggs, need a new pan. She pro with the head, she don't use hands. I need hands in the sky and a blue tan. You ain't on the family tree, who is you fan?
Like that song. I'm gonna have to play it a second time, Prador. So, I'm fairly liberal-minded. I think everybody should fuck who they want to, be who they want to. I just have, like, a hard time persecuting people because of what they say. Like, you gotta be, like, at least offensive, like, really offensive before I get offended. Red banknotes. Ooh, red banknotes. I get if somebody's personally offended, but if somebody's just trying to get offended on purpose, like, that's different.
Standing between Japanese and the West Coast.
Come on, skip back. Well, I think there is some seriously offensive shit out there. I just think, like, it's over called out. Well, this is what bothers me. When people call out shit when they don't even, like, it's not offending them. They just think it might offend someone else, so they... I don't know. You know, I'm probably wrong about this. I'm just a fucking streamer. Don't listen to me. If people are being reasonable, I support that 100%.
stories forgotten. You friends of me 3 is the flow that you see penitentiary. Crimes are committed because of the
I'm not a social justice warrior. So you can't count on me to call out everything that's offensive. So if you find something that is offensive on my channel, and it offends you personally, you tell me and I'll get rid of it. I'm just annoyed with people who like call out everything because they think it might be offensive to someone else. That's the only thing that's like, come on. It's gotta be offensive to you at least. Aww! Aw, thanks, Prater. You're so cute. Wait, is cute an insult? I don't mean cute as an insult. I mean you're awesome. Sometimes cute can be taken as an insult. You know what I mean. You know what I'm talking about. Outrage culture, yeah. I mean, like, I like women, so I'm easily... I'll be triggered. If you want to say, like, you hate gay people, yeah, I'll be, like, fucking annoyed at that, yeah. But, like, if you're cool, like, it doesn't matter. Oh my god, I'm still hiccuping. How are you guys... Whoopsh! Whoopsh! Stop hiccuping! Thank god we don't have that here in Tokyo. Oh yeah, Kobayashi? There's like a big movement on like, do not wear a kimono unless you are Japanese. What do you think about that? I'm like, what's so offensive about a black woman wearing a kimono? Oh yeah, I get that, Prater, because like sometimes when a guy calls me cute, I'm like, I think it's insulting, like, yeah, you're cute. Fuck off, you stupid bitch. And it's like, oh my god, that's not what I want. It's like, that's not a nice way of using the word cute. Stop it. Stop it. Hopefully the hiccups are gone now. How can I stop, get rid of, and cure hiccups? Have someone frighten you. Okay, actually that's worked before. Someone's frightened me really bad and I stopped having the hiccups. Please don't like frighten me into like, like, I know your address. Like, please don't frighten me in that way. Place 1/2 teaspoon of dry sugar on the back of your tongue. Drink from the far side of a... How am I supposed to drink from a...